Stop saying this in English. I am agree. Wrong. He is agree. Wrong. The correct way is I agree. He agrees. Many English learners say I am agree, but this sentence is grammatically wrong. Let's fix it with one clear rule. The word agree is a verb. It shows an action, the action of agreeing. In English, we do not use am, is, or are before a main verb. Am, are, and is are forms of the verb be. We use be only with adjectives or verb plus ing. For example, I am happy. Adjective. She is working. Verb plus ing. The sentence I am agree is wrong because agree is a verb, not an adjective. English grammar does not allow be plus main verb in the simple present tense. When we use a main verb in the present tense, the structure is subject plus verb. For example, I agree. She agrees. They agree. Final grammar rule. Am is, are plus agree. Wrong. Subject plus agree. Correct. Subscribe for clear English grammar explanations. One rule, one mistake, one video. Stop saying this in English. Some people say, I need a water. Wrong. The correct way is, I need water. Never use an with uncountable nouns. Learn more real-life English in my long videos. Subscribe to the channel. Stop saying this in English. Some people say, I cooked a rice. Wrong. The correct way is, I cooked rice. Never use an with uncountable nouns. Learn more real-life English in my long videos. Subscribe to the channel. Stop saying this in English. Some people say, I bought a bread. Wrong. The correct way is, I bought bread. Never use an with uncountable nouns. Learn more real-life English in my long videos. Subscribe to the channel.